Texas Instruments is helping teachers encourage students to explore, evaluate, and explain the science around them using tools with a series of free interactive lessons. Available now whether you're teaching from home or in the classroom. Bring science and STEM to life with simulations that model real-world phenomenon. Choose from a variety of activities that engage students' imaginations and help them better see scientific processes and concepts. Stop a zombie outbreak by identifying the cause of the disease and how it spreads. Use forensics to uncover clues and solve the case. Save the Earth from an asteroid strike. Or get to work on the International Space Station. Activities cover a wide range of topics and grade levels, from middle school through high school, and they're all editable and free to use. Get started today with only your PC, Mac, or handheld device. Texas Instruments even helps students learn coding, while helping teachers who don't have coding experience. Students can have fun with lights. Watch the TI Innovator rover in motion. Create a digital mood ring, and more. Texas Instruments can loan teachers the equipment they need to start enjoying STEM projects with their students in no time. Does your classroom already use tools to help teach core science concepts? Texas Instruments integrates seamlessly with various sensors and software, including Vernier EasyLink and GoLink sensor interfaces, for portable data collection that's quick and easy. Just plug a sensor directly into your TI-Nspire graphing calculator or teaching software, and you're all set. Whether you're familiar with TI-Nspire solutions or just getting started, Texas Instruments empowers teachers to deliver science lessons in a way that truly engages students. Visit education.ti.com/science to get started.